Hi, my name's Terry and I work for Missouri Star Quilt Company and I've been here almost 3 years. I love to sew, I love to quilt, I am a mega crafter. I made these a couple of years ago. They are curtain tiebacks for my kitchen curtain, which is very farmhousey, and they work great. I also tend to paint and just play around with all kinds of stuff, and my antique kitchen is very farmhousey because it's a farmhouse. And so I have lots of chickens, and I have vintage 1954 metal Youngstown cabinets, and they're fun and will probably last another 1,000 years. I also collect ladies' head vases. As you can see, I've been collecting them for probably 30 years, and I don't know, I'm an old soul. I love anything from the 40s, 50s, early 60s, and most of these are from the 40s and the 50s. These, of course, are my favorites, and I'm pretty picky on the ones I buy. They usually have to have their earrings and their necklaces attached, and I do love this one that my friend made me into a pincushion, and I do use it. It sits on my sewing machine table. I do make earrings. Now, I have a plethora of hummingbirds at my house, and when I saw these hummingbird charms, I just had to make a pair of earrings out of them. So, and of course, who doesn't love dragonflies? Pretty fun. And of course, I quilt. And here's one I put together last weekend. It's just fun. It's for my back porch, which is closed in, enclosed. And it is the building block pattern, but of course it's chickens and farmhousey. I don't have any borders on it yet, but I just did it. So, and then I have one that I made for my husband for his birthday, and he'll never see this, so he won't see it before his birthday. But my husband restores vintage automobiles, and I made him a carpenter star quilt out of car parts fabric. The gray reminds me of his shop floor. And we live on a gravel road, but there's also blacktop not too far from us. And the black makes me think of the blacktop road, right? And it's a lot of fun, and I hope he loves it as much as I loved making it for him. And of course, I had it quilted here, and it's done in the motif of old cars, is the quilting. And this one I did several years ago, and I just found it, and I sent it in and had it quilted. And it's for one of my grandkids. It's called Safari. But we had gone to the zoo, and then I found some fabric, so I made that. And it was a lot of fun to make for him. And I hope he likes it as much as I enjoyed making it for him. Okay, well, this has been a lot of fun, and I've enjoyed sharing some of my crafts and collections with you here at the Show and Tell time. So be sure and share with us at #MSQC Show and Tell. Y'all have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you in our shops.